Greetings, Mark Brown here. We're going to be looking at how we can import a PowerPoint presentation into Google Slide. Yes. So I'm going to be guiding you through that particular area there. So very important. So notice this is the PowerPoint presentation that we want to import in Google Slide, right? Very important. Right there. So I want to bring up the Google. So this itself is Google Slide. So I'm going to select a blank. Now I select the blank. All right. Let me close this team right here. All right, so these are where, right here is where we'll actually want the slides. All right, so very important. All going to do this. Right, you're creating a PowerPoint, and then you wanted to import it right in your Google slide. All right, what you wanted to do, you want to come right here at file. Notice there's a file right here. You notice there's a new open is import, there's a copy, make a copy right here, show your share, download, rename. What I want to focus on right here is the import slide. So I want to click on it. Now when you click on it, you notice you show your recent. So they can upload from your desktop, so they can get from Drive and all that. I'm going to go right here to upload. So click on it right here, so that I can actually drag the file right here. So I'm going to click on the red browse. And if you notice, this is set to the presentation that I really want. I want to click on it. So now when I click on it and highlight, you come down here today, right off the screen, notice this is cancel. Let's see open. So what I wanted to do is to click on word open. Now when you click on word open, if you notice right here, it actually show that it loaded. Right. So here you can actually close it. Right. So there you go. Now these are the slides that really display so far. Now it's up here to select our slide. Here say clear. But if you notice down here, cancel and all that. So I'm going to choose this one. So just click it, you notice. But it's right here. Import slide. I'm going to click this one. So right, so I'll just select the one that I want. So it really give you a chance to select everything and select what you want. So when I finish that, now you can click right there. When I finish, just pay close attention over here. So notice, so the first slide now you can actually right click and delete the first slide. So this is it. So this is how we actually import the PowerPoint into Google Slide. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.